Hey, what's up, everyone? We all know about the typical passive income ideas like real estate, dividend stocks, or affiliate marketing. But today, I'm bringing you some fresh, unconventional ways to generate passive income. Ideas you've probably never heard of, or maybe you've just never considered seriously. So, if you're tired of hearing the same old suggestions, stick around because I've got some exciting ones lined up. Idea 1. Intellectual property licensing. All right, let's kick this off with intellectual property licensing. This is where you create something like a book, an app, or even a piece of software and license it out for others to use, often for a fee or royalties. This can be especially powerful if you have a skill or a creative idea that can be scaled. Here's a real-world example. Let's say you develop an app that solves a niche problem, like organizing music playlists for DJs. You don't have to be the next Spotify to make money from it. You could license it to other app developers or even large companies. The best part? Once it's out there, you can sit back and watch the royalties roll in, often with little extra effort from you. Idea 2. Peer-to-peer lending. Next up, we have peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending for short. This isn't exactly new, but it's not talked about nearly enough. With platforms like Prosper and Lending Club, you can loan money directly to individuals or businesses and earn interest. What makes it passive is that once the loan is made, you don't have to do anything but collect the interest payments. Now, there's a bit of risk involved, but with the right strategy, like diversifying your loans, you can generate a steady stream of income. And if you're lending to businesses, you could even negotiate equity or profit-sharing deals, which makes it even more lucrative. Idea 3. Rent out your digital assets. All right, this one's really under the radar. Renting out your digital assets. I'm talking about things like websites, domain names, or even ad space on your blog or YouTube channel. Here's how it works. Let's say you own a domain name that's super valuable in a niche market. Instead of selling it, you could lease it to a business for a monthly fee. Or maybe you have a blog that gets decent traffic. You could rent out ad space or even rent the whole site to someone who doesn't have time to build their own but wants a ready-made platform. It's a way to leverage assets you already own to create recurring revenue without much effort. Idea 4. Subscription boxes. Here's a fun one. Subscription boxes. I know what you're thinking, but subscription boxes take a lot of effort to manage. Well, not always. The trick is to automate the process as much as possible by working with fulfillment companies that handle the logistics for you. You could create a monthly box for a specific niche market like eco-friendly products or even a book club. Once you have a reliable supplier and logistics setup, this business can run with minimal intervention, especially if you focus on curating rather than physically packing the boxes yourself. Idea 5. Licensing your photography and videos. Last but not least, licensing your photography or videos. You don't have to be a pro photographer to make this work. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 allow you to upload your content, and whenever someone uses your photos or videos, you get paid. Think of all those random scenic shots on your phone or drone footage you captured on vacation. It could be sitting on your hard drive, or you could be earning from it passively. Once it's uploaded, you can keep earning for months or even years. So there you have it. 5 passive income ideas that go beyond the traditional methods. The best part? These strategies don't require a huge upfront investment, just a bit of creativity and some upfront work to get them going. Now, which one of these are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more unique finance content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.